Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are just joining me, I'm Javeness, and here we do and talk planty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. And today's gardening topic is potting benches. I have partnered up with Best Choice Products, and they have recently launched some new gardening products. And they have sent me their new gardening potting bench, and I am so excited for this video because I have been wanting a proper potting bench for so long. The place that I normally do my indoor gardening and repotting is usually on the floor of my garage or on the floor of my lanai, and sometimes even on the floor of my plant and craft room. So let's just say I sit and work on the floor a lot, and at times it really does hurt my back and shoulders. So this potting bench is going to be a game changer for sure. So let's just get straight into this video. So this is actually a really big box, and I'm gonna do a real quick unboxing for you and then get straight into the assembly. But I wanted to mention that I do have a discount code that you could use for some savings, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Now that I have the tools for this build, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. The tools that you're going to need are a Phillips screwdriver and a drill. Well, there you have it, guys. Assembly actually was not that difficult at all. It probably only took me about an hour or so to put this thing together. And now that it is all set up, I'm gonna go ahead and move it out into my lanai. You guys, I am so loving this. No more working on the floor for me. One of the best features, aside from the fact that it's a gardening bench, is the expandable sliding tabletop. It extends your workspace, and it has a food grade dry sink, perfect for soil mixing as I am always amending my potting mixes. This is so convenient. It also has additional storage space below and 2 upper shelves for more storage. Even has these front hooks, great for hanging your gardening tools. I honestly couldn't be more thrilled with my new gardening potting bench. I love the expandable tabletop and the hideaway dry sink. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself a potting bench and stepping up your gardening game, do check out the links in the description box below, and you can also use this code to get 5% off your purchase. Well guys, I guess that's it for this video, and if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the space below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. When I am not making videos, I am taking pictures, as there is always something new growing. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!